up, YouTube? Listen, family, another day is in the books, which means we got another chance to get in our bag and do what we do. Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. I'm going to teach you a lesson on today that I want you to write some notes down for me so that you can take advantage of what I'm going to teach on today, okay? Without further ado, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Kicking it off, loving on the family. This one comes from Andre Coleman. He says, thanks, Coach. Coach, I am new to the stock market scene. I happened to stumble upon your video on YouTube. Welcome to the family, Andre. If you happen to see this, man, welcome aboard, man. I enjoyed the great content and lessons. I placed a call order with SPY last week and took a loss. I decided to sit out a while, taking notes and gaining more knowledge. I love this, guys. Look at how he's pacing himself. These are the type of things we got to do when we're self-assessing on our trading journey. He said, I did not let the loss discourage me. I love that mental toughness. That's called a championship mindset. He said, this morning I placed an order with Tesla. Being patient, I made $175. Major salute, okay? I got a setup for Tesla that I'm going to make sure all you take advantage of momentarily. So bear with me. Got in and out, as you always tell us. I'm grateful for the guidance. You have helped me a great deal. Peace and blessings to you and your family. Thank you, Andre Coleman. Dre, phenomenal job, man. I couldn't be more happy with just everything you walked us through in terms of suffering a loss, bouncing back. As I often say, real bosses don't cry about losses, and I love that championship mindset you had. But I'm going to help you continue this momentarily, guys. Okay, check this out, man. I want to bring your attention to Tesla today. I'm going to teach you guys something. I want you to be good. This is called a line chart. You guys see this? Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 184.59. It was up over 6.5% today. This right here that we're looking at, guys, is known as a line chart. I want you to be just as surgical with a line chart as you are with a candle type of chart like this, okay? All right, now I'm gonna turn it back to a line chart because I want to teach you something, but nevertheless the lesson is the same, okay? Now check it out, guys. Tesla is currently sitting at 184, but at the high of day we were up here around 187, and I love it, okay? So 187.16 is a area of note, okay? Everybody write 187.16 down. That's going to be one small term target, but I ain't even thinking about that. Matter of fact, write this down. New price target, write this down, $92. Okay, I want us to shoot for 92. Yes, this is going to $200. I don't even want you looking that far. I want to teach you how to do this, okay? Write this down. Everybody write this down. Class is in session. New or next price target, 192. Write that down for me. But listen to this. Remember I taught you Wall Street don't give it to you in a straight line. So I want you guys to do this. Watch this. Everybody follow my screen. This is a line chart, okay? Do you see this level right here? This is called a breakout high. Write this down. Breakout high. Okay, 178.33. This is one of your entries. So this is going to be, this was resistance. Now it has turned into support. So Tesla's going to fall to 178. As long as this is above 178.33, I want you to remain bullish. So guess what? At 178, we buying a call as a family. Okay, this is going to be a massive home run. When you get your entries right, guys, when you learn this, you make way more money. Okay, so 178.33 is a buying zone. You want to enter your play here, or look at this, 173. Do you guys see that level? Those two levels, this is called a retrace that's going to happen, okay? I don't want you to panic. You guys need to know this, all right? Tesla's going to come to 178. If that don't hold up, it's going to come back to 173. It just retests where it launched off from, okay? These are now buy zones. So you should say, Coach, note taken. I'm going to buy a call and build my position out at 178. It's going to go 178 to 192, or it's going to come to 173 and go to 192. Let me know if that makes sense for everybody, okay? I want to teach you guys how to do this. This is how you tactically trade and know where your entries at. So long story short, okay, Long as Tesla is above 173, we on this channel, if you rock with the same game, we're staying bullish. This is going to 192, 196, 200. I don't even gonna put them other levels on your head right now. We focused on 192, but we first got to get our entry right, okay? So 173 and 178, it will be the levels we get in at, okay? Write those two things down so that when you see, oh, coach told us it was going to come to this level, man, how did he know? Don't even get. So listen, guys, that is an upcoming play. Then that's what I just taught is going to be the bigger move, okay? Meaning you make more money doing what I have shown you, okay? Now check this out. If we have positive momentum just feeding off of what it did today, it could easily go and hit our target as early as tomorrow or even Thursday, okay? So again, you can play it short term, but I'm getting you prepared for a more longer term play while we're in a bull market. Now listen to this. What I didn't get to show you guys is this. Under 173. So say this, coach, what happens under 173? If we go under and fall under 173, we're no longer bullish short term, temporarily, okay? So then that's when the puts come in, and we'll do puts from 173 to that 163 level, okay? And so again, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Right now, things are leaning more to the upside, but it's important you guys master your entry, okay? So I'm teaching you what a swing trade, a longer term swing trade will look like, but I'm giving it to you in advance because this pullback hasn't happened yet. It ain't nowhere near 178 and definitely ain't nowhere near 173, okay? So with that being said, this is just something that I want to plant the seed. I always tell you around here, I'm going to put you in position on the front end. A lot of people like to boast and brag and talk about something after the fact. Around here, no. I'm telling you in advance, these plays we're going to knock out the park together. It's no different than Nvidia, no different than Intel, no different than Exxon. I told each of you all of those plays well in advance, all right? This will be no different, okay? But shout out to everybody that made money today. Let me know down in the comments below if you were able to do your thing on today, and if you learned some lessons on today, I want to hear about that as well. All right, now check this out. Nvidia has earnings on tomorrow after the bell, okay? And with that, you have the chance for, remember I talked about yesterday's video, a rising tide lifting all boats. If Nvidia comes in as expected and exceed expectation, that's what we expect out of Nvidia, okay? Look for them to blow off the 980 level and then maybe even go as high as 1100. You know what I'm saying? That's to the upside if all goes well. Now, if they beat and then they don't want to give it the love, say they barely beat or it wasn't as impressive as they would thought, because they have some real high comps to achieve, okay? So it say they beat, but it ain't convincing. Okay, they may yank Nvidia down, okay, and then that very well may be start of a downtrend. Guess what? We'll react to what we see. All right, around here, you are to have a game plan. If this, then that. Write this down. If this, then that. What is that, coach? If we go up, this is what we're doing. Okay, if it goes down, this is what we're doing. Simple as that. Keep the game simple, guys. Stop letting people overcomplicate this game. All right. I want you guys to be looking out for Nvidia. If you take advantage of it, I have shares of it, and I'm going to make sure that I'm able to take advantage of it with the options, you know what I'm saying, based off of what it does on tomorrow. So listen to this. It's already at my price target, so I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I told you I wanted this at 8:30 or 7:30 because it was going to run up to 9:40, 9:50. It's already where I wanted that, so I'm a little conflicted. Yes, it can go higher, but if it go down, I know it's going back higher. It's still going to $1,000, guys. Don't get this twisted. But just like Eli Lilly took a minute to get to 800, this could be, if it don't hit 1,000 tomorrow or Thursday, it might hit 1,000 by the end of the year. It's still going to get there. That's the point. And so there always will be time for a better entry. This is why I say stocks are like buses. If you miss one, catch the next one, okay? Don't be hasty. Don't be in a rush. These plays ain't going nowhere. And if you rock with your boy, we definitely ain't going nowhere. With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.